Alexa, what would happen if Goku never turned good?
From While it's true that he means good, several villains would have skipped Earth on their to-do list if Goku was never around.
Alexa, what would happen if Goku never became good?
From therichest.com. While it's true that he means good, several villains would have skipped Earth on their to-do list if Goku was never around.
Alright guys, tonight we're going to draw Kakarot. This is what Goku looks like when he's wearing his Saiyan armor. And if he were to join forces with his old Saiyan comrades, Raditz, Vegeta, Nappa, all of them, he would have found out about his father. Alexa, play Chala Head Chala by Nate Wants to Battle.
Chala Head Chala from Dragonball Z by Nate Wants to Battle on Amazon Music.
Much like in the original anime, this version of Goku can turn Super Saiyan as well. This version of Goku, well, this is where he succeeded in his mission, reunited with Raditz, and with special training, he became the next, one of the strongest. I just wanted to get this character off my chest. What would happen if this guy became a Super Saiyan God? That's right, he'd be unstoppable. That'd be something. I bet he'd be one of the Frieza Force's powerful men. Alexa, what would happen if Goku never became good?
From therichest.com. While it's true that he means good, several villains would have skipped Earth on their to-do list if Goku was never around.
Alexa, what would happen if Goku was never a good guy?
From fandom.com. While Goku is ultimately kind-hearted, forgiving, and unquestionably loyal to the side of good, and did not inherit any of the inherently evil traits of his heritage, his Saiyan bloodline and its traits for combat have played small or moderate role in his judgment.
Alright. Well, that explains it. Anyway, that's how you draw Kakarot, killer of all humans. I bet he killed Lily too. Well done, Kakarot, well done. I'm actually proud of you. I'll draw you at her funeral. What do you say?